Okay, today is February 23, year 2025. They are now picking up some rocks to be take home to Manila to build a troller for a troller. Okay, okay, okay. Uy, ito. Daming bato niyan.
Picture mo ako.
Oh, di. Punuhin mo. Para sulit biyahe natin.
Madulas mo.
One time break tayo. Naka-prepare na tayo. Dala natin lahat ng laruan natin. Okay. That's about it. Thank you.